Hello! It's so nice to see you here today with me on ESL Universe. Today we're going to take advantage of the opportunity to learn the S sound. The S sound is quite common in English because we use it for several purposes. The S sound can be used as just a regular sound, but it can also be used to form agreement. Agreement is what we are talking about when we say that all of the parts of a sentence need to agree in terms of person, number, case, or gender. The letter S is used to form agreement in the case of person. For example, he sees rather than I see. And number, 1 cat, 2 cats. As you can imagine, this significantly increases the frequency of the letter S. In fact, it is one of the most commonly used consonants in the English language. So, how do we correctly pronounce the S sound? We start by slightly opening our lips widely to expose our teeth. Our lips are held tensely during this sound, staying out of the way for the production of the sound. Our teeth are held together, but not in front of each other like sometimes happens in a smile. The tongue is held to the front of the mouth with the tip touching along the back of the top front teeth. The sides of the tongue touch along the side teeth as it goes towards the front of the mouth, and air is pushed along our tongue and through our teeth. S. It is important to note that S is unvoiced, and it is a continuous consonant, with the sound being able to be produced for a long period of time with no change in pronunciation for the duration of the sound. This means that we can say it quickly, S, or we can say it for a long period of time. S. Can you try that? Great job! In English, we use a long S sound as a representation of the sound that a snake makes. However, if you are unfamiliar with the use of this sound, a good keyword for the S sound is sun. S, 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 sun. Great job! The S sound can come at any point in a word. However, it does have several spellings that can be used when the S sound is being intended. Some common spellings for the S sound are S, SE, SS, C, CE, and SC. Let's try some practice. C, snake, science, season, spot, socks, song, sister, sky, monster, Tuesday, ask, awesome, message, whisper, necessary, outside, taste, hamster, kiss, press, us, yes, hiss, plus, this, guess, dress, glass. Great work! Are you ready to try a sentence? See my sister in this awesome glass dress. Taste this seasonal soup silently. See my sister in this awesome glass dress. Taste this seasonal soup silently. I hope that you've enjoyed learning about the S sound. Please note that ESL Universe will be making a video soon to talk about how we use the S sound in agreement. You won't want to miss it, so make sure you subscribe for free. Have a great day!